Good day everyone, this is Cher Jhoy and welcome back to my YouTube channel dedicated for learning. Today, we are learning about common ratio. Let's get started. Example number 1. Find the common ratio of the sequence 3, 6, 12, 24, and 48. To get the common ratio of a sequence, you need to divide second term divided by to the first term. So we have 6 divided by 3, it is equal to 2. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. And 48 divided by 24 is equal to 2. Therefore, the common ratio of example number 1 is 2. Example number 2. Find the common ratio of the sequence -2, 4, -8, and 16. Again, to get the common ratio of a sequence, you need to divide second term to the first term. So we have 4 divided by -2, the answer is -2. -8 divided by 4, the answer is -2. Then 16 divided by -8, the answer is -2. Therefore, the common ratio of example number 2 is -2. Example number 3. Find the common ratio of the sequence 81, 27, 9, and 3. So we divide second term to the first term to get the common ratio. 27 divided by 81. The numerator and denominator are both divisible by 27. So 27 divided by 27 is equal to 1. 81 divided by 27 is equal to 3. So 1/3 is our final answer. Next, we have 9 all over 27. They are both divisible by 9. So 9 divided by 9, the answer is 1. 27 divided by 9, the answer is 3. So 1/3 is our final answer. Last, we have 3 all over 9. They are both divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3, the answer is 1. 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. So 1/3 is our final answer. Therefore, the common ratio of example number 3 is 1/3. Example number 4. Find the common ratio of the sequence 100, 50, 25, and 12.5. So we have 50 all over 100. Both numerator and denominator are divisible by 50, so we get 1/2. Next is 25 all over 50. Both are divisible by 25, so 1/2 is our final answer. Last, we have 12.5 all over 25. Both are divisible by 12.5, so we get 1/2. Therefore, the common ratio of example number 4 is 1/2. Example number 5. Find the common ratio of the sequence 1, -2, 4, -8, and 16. So we have -2 divided by 1, the answer is -2. 4 divided by -2, the answer is -2. -8 divided by 4, the answer is -2. And 16 divided by -8, the answer is -2. Therefore, the common ratio of example number 5 is -2. So that's it. I hope you learned something. Bye!